Originally, the whole company was started on the idea that there was this material that was being recycled, and milk jugs and other plastics like it, that didn't really have an application or a place to go.
The Keep America Beautiful campaign was about stewardship and doing something meaningful for your future generations. You know, don't trash the earth. In fact, put some work into it, clean it up, and let's make it beautiful.
Way back in the day, my dad came up with the idea, the application of outdoor furniture.
They'd never even seen this stuff. What kind of wood is that? That's the question we were trying to answer.
This material, it just performs really well outside.
It's something that can be put outdoors year after year after year without the maintenance that would be typically associated with wood.
Fast forward a number of years to today, we were able to go and establish our own recycle line.
When I was young, 8, 9 years old, but I did have the opportunity to go to Chicago and see recycling milk jugs. This is like the first people doing it. I didn't realize, what that would mean years later. And then being able to come back to the company and do the recycling project was like a real big passion of mine.
This was trash that is now being used and cleaned and chopped up through a recycle line to a final product that is beautiful and can be used again. There's so much potential for this material. It's just making it come to life.
We're really pushing the limits of POLYWOOD and seeing what we can get out of it.
How do we get that same look and feel with HDPE that the industry has experienced with traditional wood lumber?
We're constantly developing and testing materials, making them better and better.
What's the strongest we can make something, the best we can make it perform?
We're improving our quality process, and with that includes testing. So we're just making sure that we are always providing the customer with a quality product.
We're taking testing very seriously because we want something that's going to last and perform year after year for our customers.
Our people around here are really authentic. They're real. There's that genuineness about them as well. All the way from production floor to the office, people really want to make an impact.
The people here are genuine the way that they act towards each other. We always try to stand by our employees.
And I think it's just that desire to provide the best quality product to our customer that we can to really delight the customer and see that they're happy with their product.
I want them to feel that it's perfect for them. They should take pride in, you know what, that was money well spent.
I would say there's pride in knowing that it's built here.
Well, I'm an Indiana boy, and knowing that we make outdoor furniture that stands up to anything and can go anywhere in the world is really cool to be a part of.
It means a quality, integrity product made by hardworking people. It's something that I feel like you can count on.
It's home. That's what they should feel whenever they get something made in the Midwest. It's got that home feeling.
Our furniture, the Adirondack chair, is often thought of as the getaway chair, even if the getaway is in your backyard.
POLYWOOD brings people together. What I would hope that the customer experiences is a level of comfort and that they aren't really even thinking about the chair or the table that they're sitting at, that they're thinking about the people around them.